If you want to unlink your Google Meet account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook Settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps connected to your Facebook account. Step 3. Locate Google Meet. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Google Meet. Click on it to view more details about the connection. Step 4. Remove Google Meet. Once you have selected Google Meet, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check Google account settings. To ensure that unlinking is complete, log into your Google account. Go to Security Settings and review the list of third-party apps. Make sure Google Meet is no longer listed as connected to Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Google Meet account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.